Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how to charge more money for your services or your products and get paid more. So what I see most people do is charge less to try to get more customers. But what happens, you end up getting the cheap customers, the people who don't want to spend a lot of money and who don't respect quality. So if you have a good quality product or good quality service, you need to charge what you feel it's worth, for the value. And if people don't respect that value and don't want to pay that, you don't want that customer, let that money go. And the problem I see everybody do is that they try to get every customer and try to get everybody's money. And that's the mistake. You have to try to only get the people you want to deal with, the high quality customers, and show them you have a high quality product for a high quality price. And they'll understand that. Like people who have the money to buy Bentleys do not go buy Toyotas just because the Toyota is cheaper. They don't want to spend all the money on the Bentley, but they know the quality of it is worth the money and they have the money for it. So whoever, Bentley makes their Bentleys for those kind of people. They don't want every customer, they just want the people who's willing to pay for the quality. So in short, just got to charge more, for what you feel your value is worth. And it just makes more sense because they say time is money. So if you want to say time is money, think of it this way. If you do 5 customers in one day and you charge each customer $10 each, you only made $50 from those customers, from 5 customers. If you have the same 5 customers and you have a more quality product, or your product is already quality but you're not charging enough and you decide to charge double and charge 20, now those same 5 customers, you made $100 in the same amount of time that you would have made $50. So you doubled your amount of money and you didn't double your amount of work. You didn't double the amount of time. So that's the secret right there, is to make more money in less time and deal with less people, less customers, less customer service, less complaints. And it's just better. And you deal with more quality people who respect your product and your prices. So anyway, guys, that was it for today. Remember to like, follow me, subscribe, and comment below. And keep following me for the next video. Peace out.